Did y'all miss me? Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I have missed you guys. Yes, I have been MIA for the past week and a half and I will explain that in just a second. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer, a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below that you could check out. So yes, I have been MIA the past week and a half. If you are on my Instagram and on my Facebook, you will know what happened. But in case you have not come over to those pages yet, which you should because we do have a lot of fun there. I got diagnosed with infected cellulitis. It sucks that I was down for the count for a week and a half, but I had to do it. Cellulitis is already an infection of the tissue, but I had an infection on top of an infection, which was not very fun at all. And it's on my body. I still have a little bit of it that is still healing. I'm in a little bit of pain right now, but I'm going to get through this video for you guys because I know you guys have missed me and I've missed you guys as well. I am going to have to give you a disclaimer right now. I am going to talk about some pretty gross medical stuff. So if that is something that you don't want to hear, then I suggest going to this timestamp right here and I will get into unboxing my Ipsy bags for October. So what I had noticed was there was a body pimple on my, it was on my chest / abdomen. It looked like a regular body pimple to me. Didn't really think anything of it. This was on a Wednesday, not last Wednesday, but the Wednesday before. It healed up Thursday. You know, everything was fine. I did notice on Wednesday when I came home that there was a little bit of redness around it. But I thought it might have been just my bra irritating it because it's in that weird funky place on your chest and your abdomen where your boobs meet, and yeah, it's in a funky spot, in a bad spot to say the least. But I noticed it got a little red, but I thought that was probably just my bra just irritating the body pimple. No big deal. Thursday the body pimple had healed, but the redness was still there. Didn't think anything of it. Friday I noticed the red spot got a little bigger. And it started like it was it looked like it was bruising. But with me having low platelets, once again, didn't think anything of it because I bruise easily. Saturday, the hubster and I noticed it started to look black. And I don't mean like a bruised black, I mean like a grotesque black. Not like skin rot or anything. Nothing like that, but it started looking black and the redness started spreading. But we noticed this black spot in the middle of it. The hubster and I made the decision we'll just keep a lookout on it, and if it gets worse, I'll go see my primary doctor. Sunday, noticed the black spot was getting a little bigger, so we were going to make an appointment with my primary doctor on Monday when he opened up. Well, Monday, I was in a whole lot of pain, and I noticed that the black spot was getting bigger, and it started draining. So we were like, we got to get to the emergency room. There's no way we can wait for the doctor to open up. So we went to the emergency room. They did an ultrasound on it, and they confirmed that it was infected cellulitis, which really does suck because basically it's an infection on top of an infection. Yeah, I've been on antibiotics for the past 10 days. I still have a couple more days to go. Oral antibiotics, and I have an ointment antibiotic that I have to put on it. I have to change the dressing 3 times a day. It's not fun. It is uncomfortable. It's starting to get smaller but I have a feeling I'm going to have to go back in for a checkup with my primary doctor, because it does, to me right now, it doesn't look like it's healing as fast as it should for the amount of antibiotics I'm on. But that could just be my immune system trying to fight it, because y'all know my immune system is shot because of my PNH. So it sucks, but I had to do what I had to do to take care of it, and I had to take time off. I had to just relax. I was in bed for like 4 days before I was actually able to actually get out of bed and like have a meal with the hubster, or to just watch TV downstairs. Because every time I would get up, it would hurt when the blood would flow down to it. So I stayed in bed a lot. Yesterday was the first day I was actually able to leave the house. So yeah, it's getting there. I have a feeling I'm going to have to make an appointment with my primary doctor for him to check it out, to see if I need to extend the antibiotic. So yeah, that is what's going on right now. I am dealing with that, and it's just a day-by-day process. I've been on Instagram and Facebook here and there, and on Snapchat. I just really haven't been on YouTube a lot. I haven't really done any kind of makeup whatsoever, because I've been in bed. So it sucks. This is the first time I've actually been able to do a couple videos. I'm trying to get as many knocked out as I can. But right now I am uncomfortable, so this will probably be the last one I film for the night. So yeah, that is where I have been. I may take another couple days to make sure this is all taken care of, and get an update on it with my primary doctor. So if you don't see a video on Friday, I do apologize. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and see what Ipsy gave me for the month of October. Okay, I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible, because I know I did that super long thing going on with what's been going on with me. But let's go ahead and see what's in my original Ipsy bag. I have a couple outside items. I did do an add-on item this month, and I may have done 2. I don't know. But I know I did 1, and the first one is from Nomad Cosmetics, and it is their Sydney Bathers Balmoral Beach Highlighter. It is Kiss of the Sun Highlighter. I love Nomad Cosmetics. You guys know this is one of my favorite brands, one of my favorite indie brands out there. Oh, she's pretty. Let me flip her around. Ooh. Super. Ooh. Ooh, she is real pretty. I like. I cannot wait to use that. It's got like a pinky peach shift to it. Ooh. I did have 2 add-on items. I did the Nomad Cosmetics one, and the second one is a Sigma brush. I have never used a Sigma brush before. So when I saw this as an add-on item, I was like, you know what? I'm going to try this out. And it is the Sigma E25 blending brush. Oh. That's what it looks like. Ooh, it is super soft. I can't wait to try this out. I have heard nothing but good things about Sigma brushes. So yeah, I can't wait to try this out. This is the bag. For October. It's Betty Boop. I love it. Has her face on the front, and it has sequins on the back. It has a little bee on the zipper. That is super cute. This is the card. It's this month's theme is Flaunt It. Let's start obsessing over what we love about ourselves. It's time to show off what makes you feel beautiful, those lips and that skin. And who better than the iconic beauty muse and confidence queen Betty Boop to inspire you to flaunt it unapologetically. That is awesome. All right, let's see what's inside the bag, which is what Ipsy picked out for me. Okay, I got another brush. This is the Ipsy and Betty Boop brush. just a little bent from being in the package. It's like a, I guess it's a blending brush. It's really nice. I mean, it got a little bent right there from being in the package, but that is super cute. I like that print. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but that is super, super cute. From Kaleido Cosmetics, Diamond Foils Single Eyeshadow. It says cruelty-free no matter what. Vegan and gluten-free. And this is in the shade Sizzle. Let's see what she looks like. I like the packaging. The packaging is really nice. Ooh! She is super pretty. I like the diamond insert in that. I might have to keep this. I haven't been into single eyeshadows lately, but I might have to keep this. Ooh. Ooh, that's really pretty. I do like the diamond imprint on that. That's super, super cute. I think I'm going to keep this. From Space Case Cosmetics, Seen from Space Highlighter. It is vegan and cruelty-free. I guess the shade is Seen from Space. And this is 1E on it. See what we got. Okay. Not really impressed with it. It's just like a regular champagne highlighter. I'm not going to hold on to this. I am going to pass this along or put it in a box for a future giveaway. Ooh, I actually picked this item out because they do have it where you can pick out one item that you definitely will get in your bag, and then they pick the rest of it. I picked out the Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb. I love this stuff, so I made sure I picked that out. And lastly, we have from Cannabliss Organic Foaming Cleanser. Gently purifies and soothes for all skin types. It doesn't say if it's cruelty free or not. Probably is. I'm probably going to pass this along because my skin does not like products that are cannabis derived. I don't know what it is about it, but my skin hates it. So I'm probably going to pass this along to somebody else. Oh, that's so cute. The inside of the bag says Betty Boop X at Ipsy. So cute. That is what I got in my regular Ipsy bag. I'm going to clean this up, and then we are going to see what is in my Ipsy Glam Plus. Let's now see what is in my Ipsy Glam Plus for the month of October. I do like this new packaging they got going on. It is really, really nice. Card is the same. Products are on the inside, but we'll look at those in a minute. Ooh. First thing we got is the Betty Boop and Ipsy That's So Betty eyeshadow palette. I wonder if they're doing this kind of like how they did with the Tetris collaboration. Ooh, this is pretty. I wouldn't picture Betty Boop using these kinds of colors, but this is a pretty palette. That is like really, really pretty. I think I'm going to keep this. One, because I like Betty Boop, so. It has all the shade names on the back of it right here. I do have to check, though, to see if... I mean, the Tetris one was cruelty-free. I need to check to see if this one's cruelty-free. That would suck. I really would like that in... Oh, it is. It's right there on the box. From Lovecraft Beauty, Bronzer Palette. Ooh, these are way too dark for me. So I am not going to keep this. I do like the packaging though. The packaging is really nice. It's just these colors are way too dark for my skin tone. Okay, we got a set of Farrah brushes. These look like face brushes. Y'all know I like me some Farrah brushes, and I'm all about new face brushes. Okay, what's next? Ooh, from Jolie Cosmetics. I do like this brand a lot. I like their lipsticks. What is going on? Can't get it right. Their lipsticks are really, really nice. This is the Spectra stick in the shade Stella. So I have a feeling this is going to be a highlighter stick. Here's the packaging. Ooh, that's cool. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that's real pretty. That with the Nomad Cosmetics on top of it, that will look beautiful. Ooh, oh, we got a bag. Another bag. There's the Betty Boop silhouette, the bee, and then there's sequins on the back. Didn't think we were getting another bag. All right. Last item comes from Touch and Soul. It comes from Touch and Soul. It is the No Pore Blem priming water. Okay, now this one says it's Rosa. Damn it, I can't. Yeah. I have flour, water, and oil. If this has rose in it, I am not gonna be able to use this. Because y'all know my face hates anything with rose in it. With rose and anything, any kind of cannabis-derived product, my face hates it. And I have a feeling it is. Oh, yeah. It is. Oh, yeah. I can smell the rose in it. So, I am going to give this away. Because my face is not going to like this at all whatsoever. All right, let's go ahead and run down the prices of these products from the Ipsy Glam Plus. Here's going crazy. The highlighter stick is $26. That's a lot considering you're not getting a lot of highlighter in this. Yeah. The bronzer palette is $30. What? It's $30. Even though I can't use it anyways because the shades are too dark. The No Pore Blem priming water is $23. Which that's normal for them because I think their primer essence is the same price. The eyeshadow palette is $30. And the Farrah brushes, this is the Midnight Pro Trio for $48. Why is this brand so friggin' expensive with brushes? I don't get it. I don't get it at all. But overall, I was pretty impressed with this month. I did like the theme a lot because I am a big Betty Boop fan. There are a couple items I won't keep, a lot that I will keep. For those of you who have been asking, I am not going to be doing the big Ipsy bag. I think it's called Ipsy Ultimate. I realize that even though it is 12 products, it's only 9 full-size items and 3 sample items, and I don't think that's... I might as well just keep what I have going right now. If you want to sign up for Ipsy, I will have a link down in the description bar where you can sign up. It's just a referral link. I don't earn any money off of that link. Just there for you guys if you want to sign up. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to pick up my glitter palette with Texas House of Glitters. Y'all know what she looks like. You know the shades are exclusive to this palette only. And my discount code is right here at the bottom of the screen. I do not earn any money at all whatsoever with this discount code. It is just there for you guys to save some money. And as always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, and on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though we mainly know I post on Tuesdays and Fridays. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Friday, hopefully. Bye. Woo, so glad that's done. I'm gonna take these pictures and get it edited. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. that what I say?